Good day, and welcome to another lesson on body systems. Today, we will look at the immune system. The immune system is the defense system of the body. It is made up of a number of organs, vessel systems, as well as individual cells and proteins. All surfaces of the body, both inner and outer, have a protective wall which indicates the skin and mucous membranes. These make up the defense in the immune system. Of the many organs involved in the immune system, the following are some of the most important. Bone marrow is a sponge-like tissue found inside the bone. This is where most defense cells are produced and then proliferate. The thymus is a gland-like organ situated behind the breastbone above the heart. It is responsible for producing progenitor cells, which mature into T cells. The T cells destroy infected host cells. The lymph nodes and vessels act as a drainage and filter system. The lymph vessels are responsible for draining excess fluid, while the nodes filter the fluid by trapping pathogens and neutralizing them. The spleen plays an active role in the defense of the body. It is situated on the left side of the abdomen, just below the diaphragm. The spleen is responsible for storing defense cells and releasing them when needed. It is also responsible for removing old and damaged red blood cells. The tonsils, which are located in the throat and palate, are responsible for identifying and activating the immune system against any pathogens entering from the mouth. The bowels are crucial in defending the body against pathogens, especially the last part of the small intestines and appendix. All mucous membranes found in different parts of the body contain lymphatic tissue. This tissue is directly beneath the mucous membrane where they prevent bacteria and viruses from attacking. The immune system functions on three levels, namely innate, adaptive, and passive. It provides innate immunity, which is a quick early warning system for general protection from anything foreign that could be dangerous. It provides adaptive immunity, which develops over time when we are exposed to pathogens through disease or immunizations. It is able to deliver exact antigen-specific attacks. It allows the body to acquire antibodies from an external source, like when a baby acquires antibodies from the mother's milk. Did you know type 1 diabetes is part of what is known as autoimmune diseases? This is when the body attacks normal healthy tissues, but the cause is unknown. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic condition in which the pancreas produces little or no insulin. Insulin is a hormone needed to allow sugar or glucose to enter cells and produce energy. The signs and symptoms can appear suddenly and may include increased thirst, frequent urination, extreme hunger, unintended weight loss, irritability, and other mood changes, fatigue, and blurred vision. To diagnose the type 1 diabetes, a glycated hemoglobin test might be conducted. This blood test indicates your average blood sugar level for the past 2 or 3 months. Another test is called the random blood sugar test, which involves a blood sample taken at a random time, regardless of when you last ate. This is favored especially in cases of frequent urination and extreme thirsts. The last test is known as the fasting blood sugar test, and it involves taking a blood sample after an overnight fast. Treatment for type 1 diabetes might include the following: taking different types of insulin or carbohydrates, fats and protein counting, frequent blood sugar monitoring, eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight. Did you know that insulin can't be taken orally? This is because stomach enzymes will break down the insulin, thus preventing its action. So, to take insulin, injections and insulin pumps are preferred. In September 2016, the Food and Drug Administration approved the first artificial pancreas for people with type 1 diabetes who are age 14 and older. It's also called closed-loop insulin delivery. The implanted device links a continuous glucose monitor, which checks blood sugar levels every 5 minutes, to an insulin pump. The device automatically delivers the correct amount of insulin when the monitor indicates it's needed. A system closely associated with the immune system is the lymphatic system. The immune system and lymphatic system work closely together to identify and expel pathogens from the body. In regulating excess fluid, the lymphatic system also picks up pathogens and toxins from the tissues. This fluid passes through lymph nodes where antibodies are located to deal with such issues. In the process, an immune response is activated to neutralize the identified pathogens. This concludes our lesson today on the immune system. Thank you for listening.